Your bedroom can have beautiful furniture and expensive decorations, yet still look cheap. And the problem may not be your budget. Sometimes, small decorating mistakes can make a bedroom feel cluttered, outdated, or poorly designed. Today, we're revealing 10 things making your bedroom look cheap in 2026, and what you can do instead. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Cheap-looking bedding. Your bed is usually the largest visual element in the bedroom, so it has a huge impact on the entire space. Thin comforters, mismatched sheets, and too many patterns can make the room feel unfinished. Instead, create a layered, hotel-inspired bed with simple colors, textured pillows, and a soft throw blanket. You don't need expensive bedding. You need layers, texture, and a coordinated color palette. Number 2. Harsh lighting. One bright ceiling light can make a bedroom feel cold and flat. Instead, layer your lighting with bedside lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, or subtle accent lights. Warm lighting can instantly make your bedroom feel more cozy and sophisticated. Number 3. Making every piece of furniture match. When your bed, nightstands, dresser, and mirror all come from the same furniture set, the room can look like a showroom. Instead, mix complementary materials such as wood, fabric, metal, and natural textures. Everything doesn't have to match. It just needs to coordinate. Number 4. Too many small decorations. When every surface is covered with candles, frames, flowers, and accessories, the room quickly feels cluttered. Choose fewer but more intentional pieces. One beautiful lamp or one large piece of artwork can have more impact than 10 small decorations. Remember, empty space is also part of good design. Number 5. Too many colors. Using too many unrelated colors can make a bedroom feel chaotic. Instead, choose 2 or 3 main colors. Warm white, cream, beige, soft brown, and muted green can create a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. If you love bold colors, use them as small accents through pillows, artwork, or rugs. Number 6. Poorly placed curtains. Short curtains can make windows look smaller and ceilings feel lower. For a more elegant look, choose full-length curtains that reach close to the floor. Mounting the curtain rod higher can also make your windows appear taller. Keep the fabric simple and avoid overly complicated patterns. Number 7. Visible clutter. Clothes, cables, shopping bags, and random objects can make even a beautiful bedroom look cheap. Use baskets, drawers, storage boxes, and under-bed storage to keep everyday items hidden. The goal isn't necessarily to own fewer things. The goal is to give everything a designated place. Number 8. Artwork that's too small. A tiny piece of artwork above a large bed can look disconnected. Instead, choose artwork that is properly scaled to the wall and furniture. One large statement piece can create a much stronger focal point than several tiny pieces. Always think about proportion and scale before decorating your walls. Number 9. A lack of texture. A bedroom filled with smooth surfaces and identical fabrics can feel flat. Add depth with linen bedding, soft rugs, textured curtains, natural wood, woven baskets, boucle furniture, or knitted throws. You don't always need more decorations. You need more variety and texture. And number 10. Following every design trend. Trends can be fun, but filling your bedroom with every trend you see online can make it look dated quickly. Instead, build your bedroom around timeless furniture, neutral colors, natural materials, and classic shapes. Then add current trends through smaller accessories that are easy to replace. Your bedroom should reflect your personality, not just the latest trend. So, how do you make your bedroom look more expensive? Keep your colors simple. Layer your lighting. Use fewer but better looking accessories. Add different textures. Choose properly scaled artwork. Hide the clutter. Use full-length curtains. And don't worry about making everything match perfectly. The goal isn't to make your bedroom look expensive. The goal is to make it look intentional. Because true luxury isn't about filling your bedroom with expensive things. It's about creating a space that feels balanced, comfortable, cohesive, and thoughtfully designed. Which of these bedroom mistakes are you making right now? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more room decor ideas, bedroom makeovers, luxury interior design, and modern home inspiration. Your dream bedroom doesn't need a bigger budget. It needs better design.